Manya Mishra and I work as the Content and Communications Manager at Fugia. I'm here to share with you some blog writing tips which specially are targeted at beginners. So if you've just begun your blog writing career, this one's for you. First, the right way of saying what you want to write about is as important as choosing the right kind of topic. Writing a blog isn't just about picking the right topic. It's about finding the right way of what you want to say. So what matters isn't so much what you say, but how you say it. Second, understand your audience better than they understand themselves. So it will most often take up a lot of upfront research, and you might ultimately want to be one of the members of the very tribe you're trying to lead and write for, but it pays off. So create blogs that are relevant to the kind of audience you're working for. Third, no matter how great your content is, it won't matter unless you have an amazing headline. So people have a split second to decide if they should click on your post, and your headlines will make them decide that. So the headline is also essential in making it easy and desirable for people to share your post. So keep your headlines super simple and bold. Fourth, this one is important now. So sometimes our writing becomes too stiff for the audience to read. So write like you'd possibly talk. That's the trick for blogs. So blogs aren't research papers. Of course, one would say that content comes off as research, but the audience should feel an instant connection also, which is why writing simply and effectively is the key. Fifth, structure your blog with a template, outline, and section headers. This will ensure that you're not missing on any point and also keeping an overall check on the content. Sixth, readers will look at your blog as some kind of valuable information about a particular topic. So caring about these people, writing for them, and delivering value to them is something that should be your ultimate goal. Seventh, now when you write, keep in mind to keep the blog in 2 to 3 minutes read time length, which is somewhere around 500 words to 600 words. Eighth, always make it a point to give credits to an idea that you've borrowed from someone else. It also applies to the stock images that you might use. Anything that's not yours should be cited in your blog. Ninth, don't copy the content of other writers. Now, when we begin writing a blog, we definitely read a lot of them before we proceed writing our own. And chances are that we nearly copy someone else's work or just the pattern that they follow. In the age of social media, none of your actions will get unnoticed. So instead of copying somebody else's work, create something of your own if you're writing. 10th, give your audience something to walk away with. Takeaways are important to your blogs. So that's what the audience will be there for. So make sure you have the blogs which have decent takeaways. 11th, finish your blog post with some kind of call to action to sign up for an email list or the organization you work with, or to follow up you on social media platforms. This, according to a research, works very well for bloggers. And the last, consistency is one of the most important things that bloggers tend to forget. It's much easier to lose your traffic than it is to build it up. So make sure you consistently write blogs. An editorial calendar is something I personally prefer and would recommend you to make. So that's how you know your major goals and the topics that you're covering in the very beginning, and will thus help you to maintain your consistency. Thank you. I hope you find this useful.